Three things na wag na wag na wag mong gagawin kung gusto mong maging masaya. First, stop dwelling on the past. Hindi mo na yan mababago. Uncontrollable na yan. Pagbalik ka ng balik sa past, wasted energy. Be a student of your past, not a prisoner. Learn from it, and then iwan mo na doon. Move on. Second, stop worrying about the future. Alam mo ba na according sa studies, 85% ng mga kinakatakutan natin, never naman talaga nangyari. Wasted time and energy, ang pag-overthink sa mga what if. Focus on what is, focus on the now. And third, stop looking happiness in other people. True happiness is inside job. Imbis na tawang hanapin mo, humanap ka ng interest or hobby na magpapagrow sa'yo. Stop outsourcing your happiness. At the end of the day, ang pinakamatagal mong makakasama ay hindi jowa mo, hindi boss mo, and hindi rin friends mo. Ang makakasama mo ay ang sarili mo lang. Ang happiness nagfe-fade. It's fleeting. True happiness is doing what is right. Kasi may fulfillment. And that's joy, mas malalim. Kasi minsan, the more we chase happiness, the more we end up unhappy.